Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled papaya. First, choose a firm, unripe green papaya weighing around 2 pounds. Peel it carefully, scoop out all the seeds, and then shred the flesh into thin, uniform strips. Next, you will prepare your pickling brine. This involves combining white vinegar, granulated sugar, and a touch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring until the sugar and salt fully dissolve. Once your papaya is shredded and your brine is ready, it is time to combine them. Carefully pack the shredded green papaya into clean, sterilized glass jars, making sure to fill them almost to the top. Then, slowly pour the warm pickling brine over the papaya, ensuring every piece is completely submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. Finally, seal the jars tightly with their lids and allow them to cool down to room temperature on your counter. After the jars have cooled, transfer them to the refrigerator. It is crucial to chill the pickled papaya for at least 24 hours before you plan to serve it. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the papaya to absorb the tangy brine. Once chilled, your delicious pickled papaya will stay fresh and crisp in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Enjoy it as a vibrant side dish or a zesty condiment with your favorite meals. To maintain the best quality and flavor, always store your pickled papaya in airtight containers in the refrigerator. While it can last longer, we recommend consuming it within 2 to 3 weeks for optimal taste and texture. This ensures you enjoy the freshest, tangiest experience. And speaking of making life easier, if you are looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It is a fantastic way to keep your floors spotless. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.